Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is early April, which means my BOXYCHARM boxes are here. Today we're going to jump into the premium box. This is the April 2022 BOXYCHARM Premium unboxing. So if you want to jump into all of the items inside, review, unboxing, demo, tutorial, the works, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this month's Boxy with me, BOXYCHARM Boxy Spring Revival. Stay tuned. All right, so I do feel like I forget to say this, but this is a PR unboxing, which means I did not get to pick any of the choice items. I didn't get to put in any preferences. I just get a kind of random box that they send, and I'm very grateful they send it. But it is always going to be an honest review. There are boxes I love, there are boxes I don't love. And this month, we are going to be doing the premium unboxing for the Boxy Spring Revival box. Now, first item out of the box is going to be from the brand Dr. Brandt. And this is the Wrinkle, Dark Circle, and Puffiness Reducing Eye Cream, retailing for $82. An eye cream that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, moisturizes the eye area, fades the appearance of dark circles, and reduces the look of puffiness. Now, Dr. Brandt is one of those brands that I find it very hit or miss. There are things in their line that I think are really quite good. Like, I love their whipped greens cleansers. There's some great products in the line. The eye cream I'm not a huge fan of, I'm going to be honest. My favorite eye cream is currently still the one from Caudalie, the Premier Crew eye cream. So because I have that, I'm not going to be opening this. I'm going to be dropping it in an upcoming giveaway. Not a bad product, just not typically an eye cream that I enjoy, because I have used this in the past. Next, the item out of the box I was probably the most excited for. This is from the brand Herbivore, and this is the Herbivore Botanicals Bakuchiol Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum, retailing for $54. A naturally derived plant-based serum that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, visibly fights the sign of aging without synthetics or irritating ingredients, gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin types. Bakuchiol supports surface cell turnover with its retinoic effect. Now, the reason I'm really excited for it is I had a sample of this and I used it several months ago. Like probably 6 months ago, I got one of the deluxe sample sizes as like a Sephora point perk. And I was really happy with it. But again, when you do try skincare, you need to be using it for 28 to 60 days to really be seeing those results. And I really only had about 2 to 3 weeks worth. So I really enjoyed it while I had it. So I'm really excited to work it back into my routine. Before the 28 to 60 days, you will know if you have contact dermatitis, an allergic reaction, breakout, sensitivity, or maybe you just don't like the smell or texture. However, to know if it's working, you need a little bit more time. One other thing, and I say this with all skincare, the little open jar right here, once you open it, you have 12 months before it expires. Now, I'm on the end of one of my serums, so I am ready to open a new one. So I will be working this into my routine sooner rather than later. But do keep in mind, if you get a bunch of subscription boxes and you're getting a new serum every other month, if you are not using it within that 12-month open jar, it is losing efficacy and it is expiring, so you're not getting the use out of it. So rather than, I'm going to be honest, my mother is one of these people who gets a serum, she really likes it, and she uses a tiny amount so that she can really stretch how long she has it for. And my frustration is always use the proper amount and finish it, and we'll get a new one. But people who, I understand for either cost reasons or maybe you just don't like being wasteful, but trying to stretch a skincare product beyond that 12 months, it's not helping you because all of that great skincare benefits you're hoping to get, you're not going to get because you're not using enough of the product or you're letting it expire. Next item out of the box I'm going to be passing on, and this is the Mitchell and Peach English Leaf Body Oil, retailing for $68. Body oils are just not the type of products I really enjoy. Blended with almond oil and vitamin E, this decadent body oil leaves the skin soft and scented. So it is a fragrance oil as well. Nothing against it as a product, and I'm going to open the box just to look at the packaging. But like I said, every time I open a body oil type product, I never use it and it goes bad. So it is a cute glass bottle, definitely hefty in size, but I'm not going to open it because, again, once I do, it starts to expire. And number two, then I can't give it away. So I'm going to pop that in an upcoming giveaway as well. And the next item requires a little bit of my face to be done. So I'm going to go off camera, put on my base products, and we'll be right back for the next item in the box. All right, I am back and on to the next item. I put on my tinted moisturizer, concealer, brows, and a tiny bit of powder just in the center of my face. because the next product is a cream product and you don't want to apply cream on top of powder. Coming from Natasha Denona, this is the Cupid Cheek Duo, which is a cream blush and highlighter. Retailing for $42, the perfect pairing of Natasha's iconic cheek formulas. The Cupid Cheek Duo features a lightweight hydrating cream blush and a luminous powder highlighter in 2 shades that flatter all skin tones. Both formulas can be applied with a brush or fingertips, meaning it's all you need for on-the-go glow. I find with her cheek products, like the cream blushes, I prefer to use the butt of a beauty sponge. So I'm going to take a little bit on my beauty blender and apply it to the cheeks. It is such a beautiful luminous blush. Now, I've never used this color before, but we do have from previous BOXYCHARM boxes a couple other of her cream products, more specifically the Bloom palette, which is, again, such beautiful blush tones. And they apply really effortlessly. You can put them on over powder, but you don't have to. I prefer to put them under powder, and it seems to have a little bit of a duochrome to it, where there's a tiny bit of this peachy gold shift when you put this on, and it just kind of shines through the skin. I also then like to take the clean side of the beauty blender and just kind of pat everything into the skin. And then because I'm going to be layering blush on top of this, or I guess layering highlighter on top, I like to take a powder brush with no extra powder and just gently stamp right on top of that, so that when I go in with my powder highlighter, which is going to be the other side, it doesn't stick and get clumpy on top of wet cream. So I'm going to take a little bit of this highlighter color, and we're going to add some glow to the cheek. It's such a beautiful glow that I am such a fan of the Natasha Denona cheek formula. Actually, all of her formulas, except for the foundation. I didn't like the foundation. And as always, I love to take my blush brush on top of my highlighter, and I'll just use that to gently pull that glow over the cheek and just blend a little bit. And what that's going to do is it's going to give you that lit from within glow rather than it looking like a stripe of highlighter on the cheek. All right, I'm going to go do my eyes off camera, and I'll be back for the last 2 items in the box. All right, eyes are done, and on to the next item in the box. Now, this is from the brand, My Beauty brand. This is the By Me Liquid Eyeliner, retailing for $20, your new Holy Grail product created for both the eyeliner expert and the winged eye novice. The flexible tip combined with the highly pigmented smudge-proof color guarantees long-lasting and intensely defined looks. You all know I don't like using liquid liner. It's just not something I enjoy. My eyes are pretty hooded, and I don't have the eye space to be putting liner on top anyway, so I'm going to be passing on this. And the last item in the box comes from the brand Endota Organics, and this is the Hydrating Lip Balm, retailing for $25. Protect your pout with this natural organic lip balm that is packed with super hydrating ingredients. With a gorgeous glossy finish, the hydrating lip balm will soothe cracked and chapped lips and protect skin from dryness. Cocoa butter, calendula, and vitamin E assist in visibly renewing delicate lips to keep them looking healthy and feeling luscious. While the cooling peppermint oil provides a hint of freshness, this versatile balm can be used to help restore moisture and cuticles to the areas that regularly experience dryness. So this is not just for lips, you can use this kind of anywhere. I am going to be holding off on this because I recently opened the Live Tinted Unity Balm Gloss, which from the sounds of it is the exact same thing, and I did already put it on. So I'm going to go throw a lip on, finish up the face, and I'll be right back for final thoughts. All right, I am back and we're ready to jump into final thoughts. Now, all in, this is a $35 a month subscription box, and this box had a retail value of $291. That being said, I'm really happy with a lot of the products in here. The blush obviously being the standout product. However, I am so excited to try the BOXYCHARM from Herbivore that these 2 alone more than pay for the box. When I look at whether or not it is a good box or a not so good box, the way I usually look at it is, would I be better off taking $35 and going to Ulta or Sephora and spending it there instead? And in this case, the answer is no. I definitely got more than $35 worth just in the 2 products that I'm really, really already happy with. The other 4 items, I'm not going to say they're the best products I've ever received in a subscription box, but it's about balance. I don't get subscription boxes because I want things that are always going to be those things that I would gravitate towards. I like trying things I might not have otherwise purchased, and typically I don't purchase cream blushes, and it's a great way for me to try new things. So as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!